Hi everyone, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make a pinwheel earring for spring and summer. So what we're going to be using is this beautiful pinwheel. It's basically a pendant, and it is by Gardanne. It's enameled brass, and each one is handmade, so there's going to be slight variations to each one in terms of the coloring, but it's got the really beautiful intense color on the inside, and then the edges you see more of like a pinkish tone to it. So really pretty, and I love using these because they're just such a statement piece in and of themselves. You don't have to add a lot to them to make a finished design. Now we are going to be using oval jump rings instead of round jump rings, and that's the perfect application for them because you see we've got that space between the hole and the tip, which is a little bit longer. I think often when you see charms, there's a little less space, but here there's a little bit more space between that hole and the tip of the pinwheel. So we're going to be using oval jump rings to accommodate it and still be able to use a nice petite jump ring. So here are my oval jump rings. Here's my earring hook. And then when you see it's all done, here is the finished design, and we want it to hang forward. So we are going to use an extra jump ring between the jump ring we put on the pinwheel and the earring hook so that when we wear it, we see our pinwheels facing forward. The only tools you're going to need are 2 pairs of chain nose pliers. All right, so let's go ahead and make this. So you're going to open an oval jump ring the same way you would open a traditional jump ring. You are just going to find that slit and twist. So you open it up like so, and we're going to slip it on to the pinwheel, and then we're going to close it on up. Now I do like to grab the curve of the oval to close it. It just gives me a little bit more control. And there we go. Let's just make sure that is nice and closed. All right, one more jump ring and we have our finished design. Okay, so we're just gonna do one more jump ring. Open it up. And we're gonna slip on the jump ring that we already just attached, and we're gonna slip on our earring hook, making sure that the loop of the earring hook that will go into your ear, so this is gonna be facing forward. We wanna make sure that's facing the same direction as the pinwheel. Slip that on and just close it on up. And there you have your pair of fun spring summer pinwheel earrings. And again, these pinwheels are by Gardanne and they are lovely. They're all enameled brass. If you like this tutorial, please do check out our other ones at beadaholique.com.